10 motivational and inspirational quotes for love and relationships. Love and relationships are the foundation of a fulfilling life, yet they require effort, patience, and understanding. In times of challenges or doubt, a few wise words can restore your connection and remind you of the power of love. Here are 10 motivational and inspirational quotes that can uplift and inspire your relationships. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. True love unites two people on a deeper level, going beyond physical boundaries and connecting hearts and minds. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. In times of hardship, the support and companionship of a loved one become the most valuable thing we have. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is not just about giving, it's about receiving too. A balanced relationship fills us with warmth and joy. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Love is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey of rediscovery and deepening connection. In the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make. What you put into a relationship is what you get out of it. Love is a two-way exchange of care and effort. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. Being loved gives us a sense of purpose and meaning, making life's challenges more bearable. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. True love comes when we least expect it. It's not something we can control, but something that happens naturally. Love is not about how many days, months, or years you have been together. It's all about how much you love each other every single day. Every day is an opportunity to show love and appreciation, regardless of time spent together. You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry someone you can't live without. True love creates a deep connection that makes life unthinkable without the other person. We loved with a love that was more than love. Love is all inclusive, going beyond normal limits and getting stronger over time. Love is the essence of connection in all relationships, from friendships to romantic partnerships.